guys, welcome to Audrey's channel. Today we're gonna open a Hello Kitty. Yeah, surprise it, chocolate egg. Show you closer.
Well, actually, it's from BIP from Netherlands.
Let's open it. Can I open it?
Difficult or no?
No, I just try to fit this inside this knot. Then I will be able to open this baby. This little boy is just gonna open it. Okay, let's keep opening. Let's keep opening. Don't mind my
I can
other
help
person
you.
walking around. Let's
Some
open.
intruder.
No, it's my other parents. Here are the free chocolate eggs. I'll show you. My cameraman will show you one, and I will open one.
Hello Kitty, you
I
like
already see the crack.
You like Hello Kitty?
Yes, I already see the crack inside this stinker egg. Where I'm gonna put the trash?
Just put it on the table.
Oh no, this free
The chocolate is eatable, that's why we put it on a bowl, right? Don't waste the food, right?
Yeah.
Remember you went...
Oh, the capsule is pink.
Yeah, you remember you went to Laos and you see all those people don't have food or little
it
bit.
opens this side. What is this?
Key holder.
No key holder.
Or you can hang it on your backpack.
What is this?
It's okay, never mind. You can hold it on your backpack, right?
What is this then? How do you supposed to hold it in the backpack? Yeah, it's probably a keychain without something to open. Look, it says Hello Kitty.
Yeah, it's Hello Kitty.
But the capsule is pretty funny. Look, it opens like you close, like open, close, open, close. But what is this thing for? It's squishy.
I don't know. Nobody know. Never mind.
Never mind. It was from here. Maybe I broke it off. Sorry. Okay, let's open the second one. The second one's been squished. So we just have to... Oh. Just make my scissors chocolate. I made my scissors chocolatey. And then I just use my scissors to crack open this egg. As you can see, this has been squished. Ah. Get out of me, chocolate. Oh, there's another keychain.
Is it the same?
No, I don't. Wait, they're not the same. They're not the same. They're not the same. Oh, this is one you put it in here. You can also take it out. Mine doesn't take out. Look.
Yeah, it's different.
Yeah, it's pretty different.
How about the front one?
I just poked holes in this egg so I can open it faster. Okay, open this faster. I'm gonna... Hi. Let's open it. Whoa, it's a different toy. It's Hello Kitty wearing her school uniform. Ah, it's so cute. You can hang these all in your backpack. I'm just going to hang it on my backpack.
And you have your Hello Kitty backpack, right?
Yeah, it's the same. Hello Kitty, Hello Kitty.
You got a Hello Kitty backpack for school.
P1.
Yeah. And you know my name? Audrey.
Yeah, my name
Audrey's written here.
Yeah,
It's a Hello Kitty backpack.
Can I see something? I have books in there too. I have the Chinese book, Portuguese book, and English books. Of course, I'm speaking English right now, so English, you just have to read it. ABC. That's not important. That's easy for me. So I already learned ABC ABCs when I was little, so I already know ABCs. I like, oh, wait. I have a change. Look, this is different pink. So, bye guys. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give us a big thumbs up. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. Bye. And we want 1 million subscribers. So, press the subscribe button and we'll see you all next time. Goodbye.